Hi, good morning. Welcome to breakfast with Active Art. I'm going to be serving leftovers today, sorry to say. I have some beautiful colors left over from another pour from yesterday, and I just can't let them go to waste. And so I thought we'd have them. And sometimes leftovers are the best meals, so do a little bit more. Cover, just gonna get dirty in here with it. Alright. I hope you guys are having a good day. Got your morning drink of choice, coffee or tea or whatever you prefer. I like to get my edges at least a little bit of a coat. I didn't tape the bottom today, but all of the ones I do for breakfast here on the breakfast series, they are all experimental. So we'll see how it goes. And I will definitely clean up the back if there's a mess and they're actually something I intend to give to somebody. Alright. These colors have been sitting with each other for a little bit, so we'll see how they pour. A little bit of a swirl here. Alright. Definitely a little thicker than they were. I had them covered, but paints will last you a while, but not forever. Get all these juicy colors out of there. This is the same color mix that I used also for that pour that was I poured it on like a clear plastic sheet. There's a video on that, so you can kind of see the I put the camera underneath it so you can see the paint coming down. Bring it back to the middle here. Come over. Let's get it back to the middle. A little bit this way. Don't want to leave too much on the canvas or it'll crack when it dries. That experiment I've already run. Alright. That's pretty good here.